black man, black woman, you have the right to be angry. You have the right to be angry at oppression, man.
That's right.
We have the right to be angry, black man, black woman. We have the right. Keep going.
This also is vanity.
And it is vanity, man. It is vanity to listen to some fool, man. To some fool that's going to try to come into our neighborhood and pacify us. Keep going.
Surely oppression maketh a wise man mad.
And oppression make you lose your mind, man. Thank you, black man. Thank you for your support, man. In the ISUPK, we are here to raise our people, man.
Right.
When you support the ISUPK, God sees it, man. You know why? Because the Christian pastors are getting millions of dollars, and they're not going to come out here in the corners to raise black people from the dead, man.
That's right.
They're getting rich. They're buying mansions, man. So when you support the real prophets of God, God sees it, man. Keep going.
And a gift destroyeth the heart.
And a gift destroyed the heart, man. Read that from the top.
Surely oppression maketh a wise man mad.
Black man, black woman, in these days, man, wisdom is going to be what stabilizes your mind, man. Because this oppression that we are going under, man, it is going to, shalom, young man, shalom, soldier, all right? This oppression that we are under is going to pacify us, man, as we grow up. This is why it's important, man, for black sons to be with their fathers, man, to see strong black men. It's important, man, because oppression can make you lose your mind, man. So many of our brothers, man, have lost their mind, man.
Right.
So many of our brothers and our sisters have become pacified, man. They forgot about oppression, man. Why? Because oppression make them mad. Oppression make them lose their mind, man. And black man, black woman, don't allow oppression to make you go crazy, man. Don't allow oppression to make you forget about the oppressor. Because you could be oppressed so long and you forgot about oppression, man. Because you got the mix, man. And that is the gift. Read that second part.
And a gift destroyeth the heart.
And a gift destroyed the heart, man. That is the NBA, man.
That's
the
right.
NBA is a gift.
Right.
And it is there to destroy our mind, man. It is there to make us forget that we are being oppressed, man. Now, because of the NBA, because of the NFL, black man, black woman, we are so pacified, man. We just want to watch a good game, man.
Right.
That's all we want to do, man. After our son get unalive, after they murdered our son in the street, man, cold-blooded in the street, you know what we want? We just need a good game, man.
Right.
Give us the Knicks. Give us the Knicks, man. Give us a good game. That's all we want, man. We just want to give. And that is the mentality of a man who has been destroyed. That is the mentality of a man who oppression make mad. When oppression make you go crazy, you forgot that your son was just murdered in the street, man.
Right.
You forgot that your daughters are being kidnapped, man. You forgot how many black women went missing in 2025. You forgot about that. You forgot how many black babies got aborted. 400,000, 500,000. Every year, you forget about that, man. Why? Because oppression made you go crazy, man. You done lost your mind. You done lost your mind because we are being oppressed. We have been oppressed for so long. The black man forgot that he is being oppressed, man.
Right.
The black man been oppressed so long, he forgot that he is in slavery in 2026. He just want a good game. He just want the weekend off so he can go, somewhere with his girlfriend. Just give me the weekend off, boss. That's all I need. You forgot your position as the rulers in this planet Earth, man. The ISUPK, we here to wake you up, black man. We here to wake you up. That position you are in under the white man is not where you belong.
Right.
You don't belong at the bottom. You don't belong where we are, black man.
That's right.
We don't belong here. This is not our rest. Give me Jeremiah chapter 2, verse 14, man. Black man, wake up. Black man, it is time for you to man up, black man. Our people are being destroyed, man. Our sons, man, there is a war against our sons, man, so that our sons hate their fathers, man, so that our sons grow up and be effeminate, man. Black woman, you better watch out, man. You better be careful with that devil that is whispering in your ears, trying to make you hate that black man. That is the only protection that you have, man. That black man is your protection, black woman. You better stop listening to that white devil in your ears. Because look at the white woman. She loves her pedophile president. She loves her pedophile president. She does not care. Because she knows that white pedophile is her protection. That's what she knows. Black man, we're not pedophiles. We are not monsters like the white man.
That's right.
Black woman, you better wake up and know that black man is all you got. And black man, you better wake up and know that black woman is all we got, man.
That's right.
We are all we got, black man, black woman, Latinos. This is why it's important for us to come together, man. We all we got. There is a conspiracy against us. There is a conspiracy to destroy us. And we are out here distracted, black man. We can't be distracted, man. We must be angry. We must be angry at oppression.
Right.
We must be angry every time we look at our condition, man. Every time we see our sons on drugs, man. Every time we see these strong black young men that should grow up to become warriors, man. Every time we see them, man, we need to be mad, man. Why? Because the oppressor is trying to turn your son into an effeminate.
Right.
That's what the oppressor is trying to do. Black woman, remember, you need that black man, black woman.
Right.
Love that black man, black woman. Let that black man see his kids, black woman.
Right.
There is a war to divide us. There is a war to keep us under so that they can pick us apart, man. When we are not a family, they can pick us apart. When we are not a nation, they can pick us apart. And this is what they have been doing for hundreds of years, black man, black woman. We can't be divided no longer. No longer. It's time for us to come together, man. Read what you got, verse 14.
Jeremiah chapter 2, verse 14. Is Israel a servant?
Are we serving, black man, black woman? You gotta ask this question, man. You have to ask yourself this question, man. Are we serving? Are we here to serve white people? Is that what we were created for? Were we created to serve white people, black man? Were we created to serve the Chinese man? Were we created to be dependent of the Chinese man? Look how comfortable they are on the internet.
That's right.
Go ahead and boycott Chinese. Go ahead. You need our phone. You need our service. You need our food. Look how comfortable that they are, man.
Right.
Why? Because they feel like we are slaves and that we depend on them. Now the Bible is asking you a question, black man. The Bible is asking you this question. Read.
Is Israel a servant?
Is the black man a servant? Is the black man created to serve white people, man? Look at these walking around here, man. Got the nerve to put their fingers in their ears, man. These man. You don't belong in black neighborhood, man. You are the devil that the Bible speaks of, man. Black man, are you a slave to watch how these are so comfortable in our neighborhoods, man? Killing our sons, killing our daughters, man. Prostituting our daughters, man. Unaliving our sons in their back. Are we just servants, man? Are we just slaves? To say, you know what, there's nothing we can do about it. We just slaves. We just servant. We depend on Chinese people. Is that what we going to say? Is that what we going to say, black man? Is Israel a servant? Keep going.
Is he a homeborn slave?
Are we homeborn slaves, black man? Were we created to serve Chinese people? Is that why we were created? Were we created to serve white people? Is that why you are created, black man? And then go watch the Knicks
Right.
after that? And then go watch Love and Hip Hop after that?
Right.
Is that why you were created? Again, go smoke some weed. Is that why you were created, black man?
Been in this shit for some years, I ain't never left. Nigga try to save his life like he's scared of death. I got Hellstar on my body, bitch, I'm heaven sent. Hey, this UP cat, nothing, we on fellowship. Been in this shit for some years, I ain't never left.